Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache and data on TextMe application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply press and hold TextMe application. Tap on info icon. Now scroll down. Tap on storage. In order to clear the cache, tap on Clear Cache button on the bottom right corner. In order to clear the data, tap on Clear Data button on the bottom left corner. Tap on Delete to clear cache and data on TextMe. And that is how you can easily clear cache and data on TextMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.